If you are looking for high-end pet care from a brand you can really trust, I really love PetMD. These products are made in the USA and they have some really nice products to take care of your dogs and your cats. Now, I only have cats and I really wanted to work with PetMD, so I asked them to gift me their advanced ear cleaner as I have an old kitty whose ears get quite crusty. So I'm going to put this to the test on him. Now you get this really nice container here. It has a cucumber melon scent and there are 100 wipes in it. And it does come sealed. Make sure yours is sealed when you get it. And when you peel that open, you'll see all the wipes are ready to go. And what I love about this is this makes it so much easier to wipe his ear. I've been trying to do it with Q-tips and Kleenex, and it's just too abrasive, and I think it's probably because it's too dry. These have a lot of soothing ingredients in them, and they're nice and moist and just ready for that quick wipe. Now, as I rub this on my hand, it is super soothing. What I love about this is that it's supposed to be non-irritating. It's not going to sting. It's not going to dry out your cat or dog's ears. It doesn't have any alcohol in it. And I can tell you right now that it's feeling really soothing and it's not drying up quickly. It's just kind of leaving a little bit of moisture on my skin. The smell, cucumber mint, is not really that noticeable. It's a very mild smell, and I don't know if it really smells like cucumber mint. It just smells slightly medicinal, but it is nice and light and definitely great for cleaning my pet's ears. So I'm cool with that. And I love how easy this is to use and how it feels on my skin. Because if I don't feel comfortable putting this on my skin, I definitely don't want to put it on my pet's skin. And this is feeling really, really nice. So let's clean my cat's ears. So here's my old guy with the bad ears. And his ears definitely get pretty gnarly and disgusting. They're not as bad as they usually are right now. And I'm hoping to just keep them cleaner in general. So we'll see what he thinks of these. Not too bad. Just really, really nice to see. And I love that I can just run it up his ear. That is really, really nice. I know that it's never fun to get your ears cleaned, but I'm sure he feels better too. These are wonderful. That was so much less invasive than what I normally do to his ear. And I do like that I clean the outside too, because while that does look a little dirty right now because it's wet, I know that'll look so much better later on. These are really fantastic. Thank you, PetMD, for giving these to me. I'm thrilled.